Welcome back to the Tense series. This is Chapter 7. Today, we learn the past continuous tense. Last night at 9 o'clock, Sam was sitting on the sofa. He was listening to his favorite music. Suddenly, his phone rang. He was listening to music when the phone interrupted him. Two things happened at the same time. He was listening, that was ongoing. The phone rang. That interrupted it. When something was happening in the past and another action came and interrupted it, we use the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used for three things: ongoing actions in the past, interrupted actions, and two actions at the same time. The formula is subject, then was or were, then verb plus ing. Was for I, he, she, it. Were for we, you, they. I was, he was, she was, it was. We were, you were, they were. Learn this carefully. Was and were are very important. She was cooking dinner at 6 p.m. Cooking tells us it was ongoing at that time. Past continuous, ongoing action in the past. I was reading when the ball hit the window. Was reading, ongoing, hit, interrupted it. Past continuous, interrupted by simple past. While she was singing, he was dancing. Both actions were happening at the same time. Two past continuous actions together use while for two actions together. Were you sleeping in class? For questions, put was or were at the start. Were you sleeping? Asking about an ongoing past action. Quick quiz, fill in the blank. They blank playing cricket when it started raining. Is it were, was, or are? Think carefully. The answer is A, were. They uses were, not was. They were playing cricket when it started raining. Well done.
Ta-da!
Quick comparison. She cooked dinner. Simple past, fully completed. She was cooking dinner. Past continuous, was ongoing at that time. Let's recap the past continuous tense. Ongoing action in the past, was or were plus verb plus ing, and use while for two actions together. Next in this series, past perfect tense. It tells us which past action happened first. A very powerful tense coming up next. If this helped you, give it a like. Subscribe so you never miss a chapter. Comment your quiz answer below. I will check it.